Scott doing at MarineMax Dallas, and we're going to take a look at a Scarab 255 ID. So this is the largest jet boat currently on the market, and obviously it's the largest boat that Scarab currently offers. 25 foot long and lots of seating. So flip-flop backrest for the back, so while everyone's hanging out or swimming around the back of the boat, plenty of room to sit back here. Also, storage built inside the swim platform. Plenty of room for wet stuff, noodles, dock limes, floats, things of that nature. There is a sprayer back here as well as a stereo control. So it's a swim up remote. If you want to change the radio while you're swimming, you can just lean up and do it there. So walking into the boat, very nice walkway to get in and out. And one of the unique features of the 255 are these twin rear seat-facing club chairs. So with the filler cushion in and the seat flipped over like that, you get a lot of room and this nice U-shaped stadium seating, which just offers a lot of versatility. Also, if you want to flip them back this way, some of the most comfortable seats you're going to find on any kind of boat. So plenty of room inside the cockpit. This is the new flooring. It is snap in, snap out, so in order to clean this, you literally just snap it out, hose the boat down, and rub it down with a deck brush, and you're good to go. Moving up to the helm, boat does have a fully digital throttle and the glass touchscreen dash. So all of your controls can be controlled directly through your dash. It's a bright display, so it's easy to see in daytime. It does have a dimmer available for you if you want to dim it for nighttime use, or also if you're out and you're getting a glare, it is on a hinge. You can adjust it some so you don't get a glare, which is really, really smart. Boat does have a nice stereo built in by Kicker. It is Bluetooth compatible, and it is also USB and auxiliary compatible as well. Pump out head, so easy use for no mess. That, of course, is the table that's removable. And going up into the bow of the boat, we have the filler cushions in it right now. A nice, very deep bow seating. So if you have kids that like to ride up front, it's certainly much more safe having them sitting up front, where it's a much deeper seating than you find really in any other jet boat on the market today. It makes you really feel like you're inside it instead of on top of it. Also, one of the largest bimini tops I've ever seen in a 25-foot boat. Lots of shade, and it is also folding. So on this model, you can just simply unscrew the screws, and the tower will fold down so that this becomes the tallest thing on your boat to put it in storage or put it up on a lift. So really nice boat. Of course, this one also has twin 250 horsepower jets in it. So it's a 500 horsepower jet boat, which is also the most powerful jet on the market. So if you've got any questions about this or any of the boats you see online, don't hesitate to pick up the phone and give us a call at 972-436-9979. Thanks a lot. We look forward to talking to you soon.